Hello, today we are at a beautiful location in Beach House 1 at Il Villaggio. And on February 28th, today is very windy day outside, everybody on the beach, and can you imagine how many millions of people just wandering to be on our place?
But it's a gorgeous day out.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
So we are your local professional licensed people. I am Mihailo Burtovi and
I'm Taylor Richardson.
Taylor, my colleague, and Taylor will give us a little tour today to show this awesome, beautiful, fantastic property. So let's get started.
Yes.
Taylor.
So, welcome to Beach House 1. It's a 2-story beach house. Hey, Mark. It's 3,940 interior square feet, 3-bedroom, 4.5 bath. Yeah, so they made it a dog spa / butler's pantry.
This is nice. I like this pantry.
Yeah. So welcome to Beach House 1. It's a 2-story property here in Villaggio. We're right on the ocean. The condo is 3,940 interior square feet with 3 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. So here you have one of the guest bedrooms with an ensuite bath. Come with me and see the other side of the place.